Hello everyone! Welcome to the Wings Engine Mapping tutorial. This video is the third lesson in the 3D mapping series. I will introduce the GIS images to you and demonstrate it. Let's create a blank GIS 3D scene. You can see that the visualization of the classics provides a default GIS image, which comes from the CISM official. If you have your own GIS images or other sources, you can add local GIS images in the GIS on the left. Click the plus sign below the image to add local GIS images. Currently, GIS images support the universal URL template standard. Protocols such as ArcGIS, SuperMap assets, etc. You can choose according to your own needs. Here we take TianDiTu as an example. Image as an example to demonstrate. Select the WMTS in the standard protocol. Then enter the service address and other relevant information. The maximum level of detail is usually 18, but Google Maps and other high precision maps can also reach 20. You can fill in according to the service or your own surveying and mapping situation. The number of adjacent tiles is usually 1. It may be modified in rare cases. Finally, the latitude and longitude limits. If our service address contains the entire GIS image of the Earth, then we don't need to modify it. If only some GIS images, then it can be modified or not. If not modified, it will lead to exceeding. The parts beyond the boundaries will be accessed, and the image of that area will not be displayed. There won't be any overall problems. It will only affect the performance. Then we added the GIS image. We can see the newly added GIS images overlaps our original default GIS image. In the left layer, you can see that the newly added GIS image is below. That is to say, the lower one in the layer will cover the upper image. This is the introduction and demonstration, visualization, image settings introduction and demonstration. In the future, we will bring more relevant tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time.